Imagine wearing glasses that can help you navigate, translate, and even chat with AI, all without lifting a finger. Google is making this a reality with its first AI-powered glasses, expected to launch in 2026. At Google's I/O event earlier this year, the company revealed partnerships with Gentle Monster and Warby Parker to develop sleek, consumer-ready wearables powered by Android XR, the same system behind Samsung's Galaxy XR headset. The goal is simple: AI that fits naturally into your life without the bulk of traditional headsets. Google is exploring multiple designs. One focuses on screen-free assistance, using built-in speakers, microphones, and cameras so you can interact with Google's AI, Gemini, or take photos effortlessly. Another model features an in-lens display, visible only to the wearer, showing directions or closed captions directly in your line of sight. The company also teased Project Aura, a wired XR model from Xreal. It sits between a full headset and a pair of smart glasses, allowing users to extend their workspace or stream entertainment while staying stylish and unobtrusive. While Meta has led the smart glasses market, Google is now joining Apple and Snap in challenging the space. Its partnership with Warby Parker mirrors Meta's Ray-Ban collaboration, with $75 million already committed to product development and potential additional funding tied to milestones, plus an equity stake in the brand. If you're as excited about AI-powered wearables as I am, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment below with what feature you'd use first. Don't miss the related video in the corner to see how Apple and Meta are competing in smart glasses. The future of AI is literally coming to your eyes. Stay ahead, stay connected, and get ready for Google's AI glasses in 2026.